one thing I need. Give it all away if you won't be here.
Morning. Oops, sorry. Today is Saturday and October 28. Tapos ko lang maligo yung dalawa nag-breakfast. Sak, why this door is closed? Nakasara. Why? Kaya pala nakasara to. Kasi, may ginawa siya, naglinis siya. Kahit hindi siya masyadong ayos. Pero, kanina. Wait, Baba! Yes, Wow. Wow! O, lininis niya rin yung, yung kwarto ng kapatid niya. Well done, Sak. Ganito si Sak, yes? Okay, so, get ready, okay? Are you done with your breakfast, Baba? Done? Done?
I need this one, Mom.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, you spill it, Baba. Thank you. So, alis kami. Punta ka. Where are we going, Sak?
The mouth.
Where's Kuya and Dad?
Adelaide.
Why?
Because you have golf.
Kuya TJ has golf. Which one? Okay. So, yun, naglinis si Sak, oh. Linis niya yung... Kasi, makalat yung kanina yung naligo ako. Habang nililigo ako. Tapos, dito rin, si Holly, kinalat niya yung mga toys niya. Tapos, sabi ko, ba't kasi asarado tong pinto? Sabi niya, Mom, don't open the door yet. Sabi ko, why?
Because... now.
Oh, what? What? Alright. Wow, did you clean here as well?
Yes.
Oh, good po. Pag naliligaw ko siya, busy rin siya kakalinis. Well done, love. Oh my goodness, my baby boy. Mwah. Love you. Thank you. Thank you, I said.
Welcome.
I'm gonna change now.
This guy in there.
Huh? Tinutulak niya ako.
This door out.
Ay, nako, Jackie. Alright. Mag-blower na nga lang muna kasi sumisigaw si Sakwa. Muna akong papasok. So, blower muna tayo. Sumisigaw na sa hindi pa ako tapos mag-blower.
I put that over there.
Oh, wow.
Then this.
Wow, well done, Zach.
Here.
Let me see. Wow, well done, Zach. Everything in here too. Oh, well done. Thank you.
I cleaned everything up.
Yes, you did. Ganyan siya, oh, di ba?
Then your bed.
Yeah, I will. Kasi kanina, hindi ko muna siya...
Putting the mattress on.
Yeah, hindi ko pa siya kasi ginawa kanina. Kasi sabi ko, maligo muna ako. Bigyan ko silang breakfast, then maligo ako habang kumakain sila. Yes, you did, Baba. Thank you. High five. Tingnan niyo, oh. Oh, di ba? Ang linis ng kwarto ko. Love you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, Mommy gonna do my hair. Keep out those mag-blower. Thanks, Zach.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, I have to clean here. Just go in there, but then you come back in. Wow, just go out there.
Paalisin niya naman ako. No, I'm gonna do my hair. It's not dirty. Only that one. That's you and Kuya TJ. That's it. It's
Just
clean.
go out for a second.
Wala pa.
Then you come back in.
O, sige, narinig niyo siya, diba? Para na siyang So, ayan na. Narinig ko na yung pinto. Are you done yet? Not yet, though. So, ganyan yan sisa. Kasi trinain ko naman sila nung bata pa sa. Tsaka nakikita nila kasi lagi ako naglilinis. Are you done yet, Zach?
Not yet.
Hurry up! Because Holly's calling me now, Kuya. Okay. Wow. Well done, Saki.
It's been there.
Okay.
In the bath in there.
Yeah, the bath should be in the bath.
In the other bath.
Yeah. So, wow.
This one time bit in here.
Yeah, no, that one is in there.
Oh, where's the other one?
Oh, I put it in the bin.
Where? Why?
Because that was sharp.
That's mine.
I know, I changed it. Be careful. So, ayan. Tapos na siya maglinis.
Where did you buy this?
Kmart, I think.
No, I didn't do that.
Oh, okay. Ayan,
Did I went there?
Inalis niya na, oh.
Then I didn't.
Ano talaga to, tsaka masipag. Ayan, nalinis niya na. So, ito na lang yung lilinisin ko mamaya. So, yeah. Well done, Zach. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, you better get dressed. Okay.
Big.
Okay.
Don't want a lot for
Turn off the bucket first while you're doing that one now. It's noisy. Turn
Oh,
off
it's big hot.
Yeah, you're doing the first. Other one. Yeah, thank you. While you're doing chair.
Oh, that's. Mom, that was too hot.
I know.
I broke Mom.
You are strong.
I didn't leave a chair.
Well, careful. You don't have to lift it. You can drag it, Zach.
Come on, that.
Oh, the vacuum's here. Alright, gotcha.
That's why I can lift it. I'm stronger.
You are strong. Thank you, Zachary. Hi.
Welcome, change Holly.
Yeah, I'm going to change them. So, sige na, i-change ko na nga si Holly. Napagalitan ako ni Zach. Set, go. 1, 2.
Wait,
Yeah, we're leaving the house now and
remember we biking there?
yes, Zachary did a good job cleaning up the house and
Did they clean them house too?
so punta kami ng bili lang ako ng kasi ng Tuesday na grocery na ako, diba? Ngayon, bibili ako ng gatas ni Holly tsaka nappy or diaper. Tsaka kakain kami ni Zach ng lunch kasi tanghali na. Kasi nga, diba, naglinis kami ni Zachary. So, yeah, Zachary is a good help, big help to mommy. Right, Zach? Yeah. What you gonna have at Kmart?
I've been hugged on.
Oh, not in Kmart. I mean, inside the complex. Kasi nandun din yung
Inside
Kmart.
the complex.
Yeah, what you gonna have? Wendy's?
Yeah,
What drinks you gonna have?
I don't have Powerade.
No, at Wendy's, they don't have Powerade.
Water.
Water. You don't want a banana shake or chocolate
Oh,
shake?
banana shake.
You do? Okay. have banana shake.
I played iPad when we did back home for 10 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You just had it yesterday.
But I want to play it again.
Yung kahapon, pinalaro ko pala siya sa
I
iPad.
like.
Kasi nga,
Is
wala.
that everyone's iPad?
Yeah, that's for everyone.
Oh, is that only for 5 of us and Jerry?
Yeah, 5 of us.
Oh, is it
Sharing
Dad,
that iPad.
Holly's, then Mom, then mine, then your TJ?
Yeah. Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas. No? Parang dinuduyan ng sasakyan.
5?
Yes.
You were little, then that was little. Everyone was born.
Yeah.
You were born, everyone was born. Then,
Maybe we're gonna make the banana bread tomorrow, so because
no.
not today, because Phoebe's coming tomorrow.
Why?
She wanna catch up with you and Kuya and Holly because because we haven't seen them since we came home from the Philippines. No, it's Sunday tomorrow. Today is Saturday.
Oh, do you have no school now?
No, because it's a weekend.
Oh,
So no
everyone's staying home.
Yes, everyone stay home with the family.
Well, I don't need
So si Chan tsaka si TJ mamaya pang gabi ang dating nun kasi si Kuya nag-golf sa Adelaide. May golf lesson siya. So, what did she do to her room?
Make a mess.
Make a mess.
Then make it sleepy.
Yeah, it makes her sleepy making a
Then
mess.
when you clean up, that's when you feel better.
That's right. When you clean up, you felt better. So, narinig nyo yun? Kasi lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, if the house clean, you feel like, you feel good. Right, Zach? But they can still play. They can still clutter their toys as long as they're gonna put it back. Right, Zach? When you play your toys, what you gonna do after?
Put it back in the toy.
That's right. Pack up. Put it back where it was. Right? Yes.
Yes.
Here na, nag-park out dito sa Coles. Kasi yung...
Sleep.
Yeah, Holly sleep. Yung Kmart kasi nandun lang naman eh. Tapos pupunta kayo dito sa Coles after. Yeah, okay, let's go. We're gonna eat now. Dito na kami sa food court. Nandun yung Kmart. Foodland. Hey, Papa!
Holly won't by itself.
Come on, hold Mommy's hand. Good girl. Kuha tayo ng shawarma. Kebab pala, kebab. Hi!
What meat would you like?
Lamb?
Lamb?
Yes. Careful.
Oh, Mom, there's big bullshit on it. Here, look.
Yeah. Here, I'll put that shoe.
Papa,
But I don't have coins.
no.
I don't have
I
coins.
have a look.
No, I don't. See, I don't have.
No, but in this one.
No, I don't have, Baba.
Oh,
Nothing, see? Okay, just go sit there with Holly. Okay, watch Holly while Mommy getting your hot dog, okay?
Yes.
Okay, make sure Holly's not gonna go in this way, okay? Just hold her.
Look, Holly did this.
Yeah, okay. love. And kay Zach, what you have, Zach?
Hot dog.
And?
What is that?
And banana shake, large. Hati na lang kami.
What is that?
Lamb.
What?
Try na naman siya.
I want to buy that too. Yum. I can taste that.
Sige, kain muna kami. Before, I don't have the coins. I don't have the gold coins. I have the $50. Siningil ako. Okay. Which one? Yeah, what flavor you want? You choose. Come on.
Banana.
Banana?
No.
Yeah, do you have what? What flavor?
Is it lemon?
There's no lemon. What? You tell me. Are you happy? Are you happy now?
Yes.
What you gonna say to mommy? No, no iPad. Come on, no. Sarap. You don't hold on. Hi. Look at Holly. Hi, Holly. Excuse me. Excuse me, kuya.
Down here.
Say, hi, Holly. Where's Holly? Hi.
What?
So, punta na kami ng Coles. Tapos na kami kumain. Ano, we're done, Papa. That's it. Come on, Zach. Let's go. We're going to Coles. We're gonna get your nappy and your milk.
Mommy, where can I put this paper?
Just hold on.
No.
Yes.
Can I put in the tie in a minute?
Yes.
No, I want to put in the tie in now.
Yeah, we're going to Coles first. Come on.
Oh, I don't want to hold this.
There, oh, there's a trash can there, oh.
Where?
There.
Okay.
Dito. Wala silang frites. Kuha kami ng frites. Right, Holly? You're gonna get some frites
Yeah, I
and
want some fish.
ano pa? Yung pang banana bread ko.
We have to have a look first.
Yeah.
And if we don't buy one, okay?
Yeah, we'll see if they have frites.
What number is this?
You like what?
What number is this?
Number 76. 276.
Let's put it back in here.
Yeah. You want smiley frites, Holly? Thank you. Give one for Holly. Holly.
Mom, why you have no plastic for me?
Yeah, what you gonna say, Holly? Say ta. Half only, Baba.
Damage?
Favorite nila yun eh.
I have a hole. But
Here sa Coles, nakalimutan ko yung eco bag ko sa car. So, ayan lang. Ayan
we
yung mga
done
pinamili ko.
grocery.
Yeah, we done.
Now we done the Dion's house.
Yeah. Naipit yung ano ko. Yung kamay ko sa tripod. Ayan o.
Oh, I didn't see it already.
Ayan o.
I
Yung
hot.
dugo hindi siya makalabas siguro. Anuin ko siya, ganunin. Ipok ba? Tapos na ngayon dito sa Coles. Punta ako sa friend. Sa kaibigan ko. Mag-catch up lang na saglit.
It's hot.
You're hot?
Yeah. Open the window.
I will.
Open that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2.
3.
Okay.
1, 2.
Did you have fun today?
Where?
What do you mean where? Did you have fun eating your hot dog, ice cream?
Not really.
Not really. Why? Why?
Mommy, I still hot. Open all the windows.
Yeah, wait. Wait a second, Zach. Padanin nga muna natin tong isa.
Chichayo.
Diba? Ang daldal ni Zach.
Chichayo. 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 Mommy, open the windows now.
In a minute, because mommy is trying to pack up. We have to be careful because our car is a bit big. Doing this. Ito lang ang ayaw ko sa back up na may let's go, let's go.
Open the window to that one.
No, it's a bit cold, love.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's not hot.
No,
Oh,
it's
sakit.
It's so hot.
Oh, you will be alright. Or we going home then?
No.
Oh, so you be quiet, please. For once, be quiet. You're so maingay. What is egg in Tagalog, Zachary?
Igloo.
What?
Igloo.
Itlog.
Igloo.
What is rice in Tagalog?
Hello.
Sparrow. Pag nakakita siyang yellow car, ang tawag niya sparrow kasi bihira lang
Only
sila
for yellow top, not for white top.
That's right, because bihira lang yung yellow car, so they said sparrow. Ang daldal ni Sak, no? Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Why do
Talkative
you
to.
You have non-follow, Mom. You only have
What?
2 photos.
Two is sparrow.
You have to disallow. You have to choose one. Whoa, look at that tall, Mom.
Pakinggan nyo na lang
Mom.
siya. Yes!
Look at that tall.
Oh, that's cool! I've never seen car like that before. May nakita siyang sasakyan. Walang bubong.
It had no roof.
Kasama nyo to. Kung kasama nyo to si Sak sa sasakyan, hindi kayo maboboard kasi marami siyang kwento. Marami siyang makikita. Nagagawa niya ng istorya. Ganun siya. Right, Zach?
Doll.
Wait.
It's a doll. The time that doll
No, you see the cars? See?
Don't play. Don't play.
Now we can.
Oh, when the tires by a day you don't
Yeah,
play.
that's right. You're not gonna go when the car passing by. You can't do
I did
that.
Bessie. I wanna bring. Is it juice out there?
No, you're gonna drink water because you had a big drink of banana shake. Naubos niya yun.
Mom,
Konti
when
lang
we
yung
get
natira
home,
sa akin.
can I
Malaki yung
bring
in-order ko.
apple juice?
Pardon me?
When we get home, can I bring apple juice?
Yes, okay. Ang sakit. Oh, ayan na oh.
There's a
Sakit,
Band-Aid.
sakit.
You should bring a Band-Aid. On taste. Mom, you should bring a Band-Aid until you hurt that thing.
Oh, yes, yes. Noted, Saxy. Narinig nyo? I should bring
Mom,
band.
look.
They just in
Mom,
case.
look at that guy go that way.
Yeah, that's right. See the sign? You have to turn right.
I thought when you don't over here, you did.
I think I'm gonna cry, Sal.
No,
I think I'm gonna cry now.
no.
It's hurting, Mommy.
Stop it.
It's hurting, Mommy, so.
Stop crying.
I'm hurting.
I have a sore knee here.
But you're tough. You're a boy. I'm a girl.
Oh, they'll cry.
Yes, girl cry.
We nearly did. Stop crying.
It's hurting me.
Stop. Stop, please. Get a band-aid.
It's really hurt.
Ma, I did get a band-aid.
I don't have bandage.
No, there's one at Dion's house.
Can you ask?
No, you are. You asked, Mom.
Why can't you? I'm crying. I can't
Then ask.
Mom. Yes.
Stop crying at us.
Do you think mommy will be okay?
Yes. You're a tough girl.
Okay, I am a tough girl. Okay, dito na kami.
When Holly hurt, he's tough, Holly.
Okay.
You tough, Bob. Holly, you tough.
Okay, dito na kami,
You
guys.
here?
Wait, don't.
Okay, ask them, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, no knocking. Look.
No, it's alright.
No.
That's only for. Here, can you get the key? Stuck. I dropped the key. No knocking daw, sabi ni Sa. Sa mga ano lang yan, sa mga nagsusulisit.
Hello.
Akin na. No, akin na. Come on, knock. Tin. Hindi talaga siya mag-knock. Ako na. Tin. Hi. Naipit yung kamay ko. Bye na kami. Time check is 7:35 and Holly's asleep. Jan and TJ is not here yet. Nung tumawag ako, sabi nila 1.5 hours away para sila dito. So sabi ko, magka-quick call lang ako dito sa mga pinamili ko kasi kunti lang naman siya. Originally, bibiliin ko lang sana dapat gatas tsaka pampers ni Holly. Kaso, feeling ko wala na ako yung iba na stock. So kaya yon, bumili na rin ako. So yeah, let's do it. So first, I got vegetable oils. First time ko tong gagawin, my God. Tapos, fresh milk. Kasi yung gatas namin dyan, ngayon mag-expired. So, kumuha ko ng bago. Tapos ito, potato sticks. Dapat kay Holly lang to. Kaso yung dalawa kong boys, lagi nila tong kinukuha din. Mayroon silang chips dyan. Pero gusto rin nila yan. So, anyway. Tapos ito, potato curls. Kay Holly. So, etong gatas ni Holly, S26 from 6 months. Kasi yung next nito, yung 2 to 3 years old. So, ito yung naayon kay TJ, kay Holly. Tapos, of course, eggs. Free range from Coles. And, bumili rin ako ng banana prawns. Tapos, nung nag-grocery kami nung Tuesday, wala silang smiley fruit. So, eto, kumuha kami ngayon. Kasi paborito yan ng mga bata. And, of course, for the garlic prawns, I need thickened cream. And, peanut butter crunchy from Kraft. And, gagawa ko ng banana bread. So, kumuha ko ng sour cream. Yes, I put sour cream banana bread. So, dalawang batch ang gagawin ko bukas. Ayun, no. Pinapabulok ko talaga siya. Hindi naman pinapabulok. Yung pinapahinog ko talaga ng sobra. Para sa banana bread. And of course, morning fresh for my plato, panghugas. And the last thing is, eto, nappy. Na ilang piraso ba to? 64 pieces. Huggies. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog.